Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet shoes and slipper designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to people in the. If you like today videos, and share it with to your friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys, so I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how did the work yourself, and if you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to similar designs for this type of designs country and girls love, such as video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in the videos my channel, I am very happy. Comment, please let me in no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, take care, God bless you.